So, here's my little unboxing video for my qualification for Qantas Platinum One. As you can see from the stats on the screen, I flew 43 flights with Qantas and One World partners this year. In addition, some Jetstar flights, and accrued 195,000 kilometres in flying distance. The vast majority of that was in economy, and the vast majority of it was work related. So the average is obviously quite high, 4,500 kilometres per flight, because I don't do a lot of domestic flying. So it adds up to quite a lot of distance, and quite a lot of distance at the back of the plane. But there are definitely benefits. I get a lot of free upgrades, operational upgrades, without asking. I tend not to use points to upgrade when I'm flying for work, and I save them for us for holidays, etc. And that's the way I've managed to reach Platinum One this year. Here comes the unboxing.
Okay, so as we covered in the first part of the video, I have managed to reach Qantas Platinum One this year. That's as a result of a lot of flying, as you'll see in the statistics at the start of the video. And I've been sent this package, which I believe contains some nice little gifts from Qantas. And we're just about to show you what you can get if you reach Platinum One. So it's a very plain box, just has Qantas Airways at the top.
Pretty nondescript.
Yep.
Let's open it.
This is going to be a mess, I think. Okay. Okay, I was quite happy with that. It didn't look like a fool. Pull it out. Oh, look.
Oh.
Has my initials on it.
Luxury.
Qantas Frequent Flyer logo on the bottom there. We also have, I think on the little tags here, it says Qantas Platinum One. And I think this will actually fit my laptop.
What do you think so?
Yeah, I think so.
We should have grabbed it.
We'll try it later.
Yeah.
Okay, so inside, let's see what we've got. So there's a little box in here, and a foam insert.
Yeah.
And the brand is TD, which you're familiar with, but I'm not.
Yes. I have some of their products, and yeah, really nice quality, great embossing, and great personalisation.
It's quite tough, actually. I think I'm actually going to use this. So, there we go. Qantas Platinum.
It doesn't
Platinum One, sorry.
Doesn't open all the
So
way.
far. No.
It's just got these gussets, but that's good.
Right, so it says your new Qantas luggage tag is here.
So exciting.
What else is in here? So there's a little booklet, Platinum One. And let's see what's in here. That's quite hard to read. That's black on black. Very sophisticated, but I really can't read that upside down. A few bits and pieces about the program and the benefits, which you get an email about anyway, and they actually call you to welcome you. I missed a call because I was in a Pilates class. This all looks great. I have called the VIP service team already, and they helped me out, so that was really handy. Now let's see, this is the new tag. Oh, there's actually something else in here. I don't know what this is. I think. Oh, this is a card. So, Platinum One card and a welcome letter. It's very minimalist, really, in terms of what they give you, but that's great. I mean, there's no point in
It's
getting
really
a lot of
high quality, like
Yeah, it is. It is.
printing and paper and
Yeah.
and embossing on here.
So I should do a proper reveal here. This is the new tag, and I'm sure lots of people have already seen these. Somebody's very excited about her complimentary platinum, and
I get a complimentary platinum membership.
And we will do that as well, which is not super useful because you always travel with me anyway.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Agreed.
Okay, so this is very fancy. I'm not going to take it off this card on the video because I've seen people make a total mess of it. But this is a really lovely thing from Qantas. And it's you do get significant benefits from loyalty. I get upgraded regularly without asking. And that's why they built loyalty with me, and I'll stick with them as long as the service remains where it is. So thank you, Qantas.
Great service, Qantas. Hi. Now, as we've just seen, Brian's opened up his Platinum One package. Now mine has arrived. Let's have a look at this little package. It's not as big as his. It's not as grand as his, but let's see what we've got. A lot of sticky tape. And look at that clean removal. Who didn't do that? Your new luggage tag is here. Super exciting. Look at that little red kangaroo.